Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make the back stitch, which is great for details, outlines, lettering, or even as a base for a more complex stitch. We're going to start by coming up at the edge of our line, and then we make a short straight stitch. For this tutorial, I am making my stitches around 1/4 inch long, but you can make them longer if you prefer. Then, we bring the needle up 1 stitch length ahead, and we go back and insert it. It is like coming back to the stitch we made before. I guess that's why it's called the back stitch. We continue doing this. Bring the needle up, go back to insert it, bring it up again 1 stitch length ahead, which for me this is around 1/4 inch, and go back again. The key is to try to keep the size of the stitches the same. Sometimes I even use my nail to measure the stitch so they can all come up of the same size, but I'm not doing that today. So here it is, one of the most basic hand embroidery stitches, the back stitch. If you also enjoy embroidery, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, bye!